This will be a tutorial on how to use Animoto. Animoto is a great tool that creates slideshow videos. Two reasons that this will be really great to use in a classroom is teachers can use this tool to introduce a new topic to their students, or students can also use this tool to create projects such as research projects over a specific topic. I will demonstrate how to use Animoto by creating a fun Animoto video over the butterfly cycle. You start by clicking create. And first you select the style that you would like to use. You can click all to view all styles. And you can hover over the styles and see how the finishing results would look with each style. And it shows you the song that is included in the video. Click create video if you like that style. And you can also change the song that the video has. This Animoto gives you different songs that you can choose from, and you can also upload a song of your choice. You can begin by adding text or photos to your slide. Save. Okay, so then you can also click here to, it's the same thing as clicking the square and clicking here to add pictures and text. You can add an image by clicking that and going to upload. I've already saved some pictures from Google and saved them to my desktop. Click open and the image would appear. You can also add a caption to your image. And you can keep going by clicking on the box next to it, adding an image. You can also move the slides around if you don't like where they're positioned by clicking on it and dragging the slide. And you can also duplicate a slide, and you can also delete a slide by clicking this little setting icon and deleting. You can also preview your video to see how it looks so far. And let's say you want the images to go a little bit faster. You can change the image pacing on here. You can make it go fast or slow. And you can also make it go automatic. And which is really cool because let's say you want the video to be exactly 20 minutes. You can trim the song to 2 minutes. You can trim the song to 2 minutes, and the images will be at the pace of your song. You can click save if you like that setting. On here, you can view your images, your slideshow, bigger or smaller, and you can go here to settings, and you can change your video title. You can also add a description of your video. And now we'll show you how to finalize your video by clicking produce, finish, and you can also continue editing even after you finalize your video. And you can also download your video and upload it, or get a link of your video, and which is really cool that you can actually hide the Animoto branding from your video. And right here you can actually, so it shows you how the video looks. And you can also click here to edit your video still, even after it's already been finalized. And you can go to your account to view your other videos. So here it is, that video. And yeah, thank you for watching this tutorial.